How to download and install the CommSec app on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and install your CommSec app on your mobile device. So first of all, go to your Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device. Now if you have an iPhone, simply go to your App Store, but if you have an Android device, go to your Play Store and in the search bar simply type in CommSec. Now it will take you to this app right over here, which is the official app of Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Simply tap on the option Get. Now once you've done that, it will simply start the downloading process of the app. Now wait for the app to be downloaded, and once you've done that, simply open the app and it will simply ask you to log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can simply sign up or set up your account by tapping the option Join Now, but that I've already covered in my previous video. You can simply check that out. And once you've done that, simply enter your client ID and then enter the password of your account and tap on the option Login. Now once you've done that, you can simply set up a PIN, but if you don't, tap on the option Skip, and same with the biometrics. And once you've done that, as you can see, you have successfully logged in to your CommSec account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.